Okay guys, nakayari na naman tayo ng isa na naman project, Ang isa naman nito guys, patayo, Ito naman yung gusto ng ating customer. Nakapatayo siya. So ito yung kanyang arrangement. Nasa ibabaw yung ating Bluetooth board. And then speaker. At nasa gitna yung dalawang tweeter. And then another speaker, So ito na siya guys. Tara, i-sound check natin. Guys, ito lang yung ating setup, yung ating volume, nasa alas 9 lang. At babawasan natin ng bass kung mangyari yung anak ko nagla-live. Okay, tara, sound check natin.
Music. Speaker check.
Wow. Wow. Lakas. Guys, bawasan natin ng bass, baka labog.